Hello, short tutorial here on the Betenbender Shear. So first thing, we're gonna turn our machine to on. We're then going to pull our main switch, power up our machine. Then we're gonna set our back gauge. Remember that this electronic controller is only for setting the back gauge. And to do that, we can press any of these four buttons right here. So for example, I'll press 3. I'll press enter to zero it out, and then I'll put in 1.5 as my dimension, and I'll press enter again and start to move that back gauge. Okay. So today we're going to be cutting 1/2 inch material, and as you can see right now, my rake is set on 3/8 of an inch, so I'm going to want to adjust that. So on our first section here, I'm going to go ahead and bring our rake up. So if I hold it over and watch that angle over on the machine come up, I didn't show it on the video, but you guys will see it in the shop. That'll bring our rake up to 1/2 inch. Our next thing is going to be our blade gap. So right now it's on 10 gauge. I'm going to adjust that to 1/2 inch. And to open that up, I just need to hold the toggle over until that light turns on. Super important part. If we're trying to cut 1/2 inch and we have a 10 gauge blade gap, we run the risk of damaging those blades. So really want to make sure that blade gap is set up. On the back gauge, we're going to have it on auto because that's going to drop out when we make a smaller cut, like 1.5 inch here. If we want to cut something larger than that, we can switch it to manual, and that back gauge, we can actually lift it up out of the way to slide in larger sheets. For today, auto. Back gauge is going to be down because it's going to be stopping that material when we put it into the machine.